Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Loriann.
And in today's video we are super excited. This is actually a redo. We are bringing to you the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go line for the second time on our channel. Why are we doing that?
Because we just filmed a video, our 2017 favorites, and she made #1 for the year. The entire line, the Curls to Go line. That was our best find last year, and we were all excited. We hyped it up and drum roll and all of that. And so then when we were sitting here today, we were thinking, what can we do? Even though we got tons of comments in our last video of what we can do.
And just know we're on it.
We're on it. But until we get some money. And you know, I think we're going to open a PayPal, right?
Right.
All right. So until we get some money, we decided to. And plus, why not? You know, it was our very first video, right?
It was, yeah. Together, like our official, like first kind of collab video with the brand. We did that. Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go.
Yeah.
Was that video.
And it's a great line. It's a consistent line. We raved about it. Like I said, it made #1. So we want to go back. But one of the complaints of our original video, aside from our horrible acting, horrible collab, and like
we were like, I was still even new to Instagram. And, I'm sorry, to YouTube, and the whole talking thing. I was more from Instagram, where you're just silent. So we were both really new to the whole YouTube thing, and that definitely came across in that video.
We couldn't even.
We watched the first 5 minutes and we're like, all right, we've seen enough.
We're gonna do a reaction video today. I'm like, I can't even stand to hear my voice. I can't stand to see it. So aside from all of that, one of the problems with the first one, and it's not really a problem, but it was the viewers were saying, oh my gosh, like, you guys use like all 6 products. Nobody could possibly afford it.
Yeah.
And we were sent the products from Jane Carter, so we appreciated that, and we used them all because we were that new. We didn't realize that you could pick and choose and pick out what works for you and make it so that people want to gravitate towards the product. Like, it doesn't take that much.
Yeah.
Because when we went today to find out the prices of each thing, it seemed affordable initially, but the tailor was like, oh, okay, the curl drench is only $10.99.
I think that was even before our one and done, so we weren't in the mindset to use less. So we were like, we're going to use the gel and the cream and the leave-in and this, like, and the oil. Like, we were using everything. Because we were just in that mindset. Like, we loved putting products in our hair at that point, so we were just like grabbing everything.
We weren't on the natural mindset. We weren't of like the affordability. We just were so new to it that we just felt that if somebody's using this, if we see a video and somebody's using this particular line, we have to do exactly what they're doing, not catering it to ourselves. So yes, absolutely. If you're not sent the line and you're low on money, who could possibly afford it?
It can wrap up.
So even if each thing is like $9.99, okay, you can find some things at $7.99 at Rite Aid on a good day. But still, if you have to buy 5 or 6 products, that's like $40 right there. Who wants to do it? Who can do it?
Yeah.
So we said today, now that we're experienced, we are going to show you how to make this affordable. We didn't want to do a one and done because we have to gravitate towards our favorite. This is
the leave-in. But I was on the website looking at these products, and basically the way they describe them, best use, they basically can be one and done. So if you want to see any of these done as like a one and done, like, oh, I want to see the curl cocktail as a one and done, or the leave-in, or the gel, write in the comments, let us know, because we will one and done any of these products for you if you want to see what that looks like.
But this was a different mindset today. We wanted to, we know what works, we know what's successful, so we didn't want to do this one and done thing and then come back tonight and kind of like look at you like, well, it didn't work. Or we're not setting this up for failure. We know what works, so we wanted to show you what works in the line that's affordable. And this is not a guessing game today. This is definitively, these things work together.
So, if you would like to see us redo our Jane Carter Curls to Go, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. First things first, water.
Are you like completely drenching it, or how you doing?
Yeah, just so I can separate it, I'm gonna, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna section today. I may section, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Ah! This water comes out so much.
Yeah, the sprayer really works.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna section.
I find it's easier to maneuver even than the Sally one. So I like it. So I'm able to do this one the way you always do them. I'm like, how do you just keep getting all that spray going? Yeah, and I'm able to do it with one hand at times.
Okay, so last time we did our video, we styled our hair with the Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In, the Curl Cocktail, and the Coiling All Curls Gel. We used all 3 products. It doesn't take all that. No. So today we are 86ing the gel, and we are just going to style our hair with the leave-in and the curl cocktail today.
And you know that we're curl junkies, product junkies, so we obsess. I obsess. Taylor calls me CVS because one product in the house is never enough. I always have to have backup for a rainy day. I always feel like I'm going to be in some sort of a nuclear war one day. I'm not going to have products, so I stockpile.
And it's not just with hair products. I'll go to my mom's room, Mom, I'm out of deodorant. Do you have any extra? Mom, I'm out of, a razor. Mom, I'm out of toothpaste. I need a toothbrush. Like, you always have backups of everything.
If I could buy one, too, just have things on standby. Yeah, I love this product. When did we find it last year? What month? It was my
March or April.
Yeah, on our days off when we were filming last year, this was my go-to. This was in my son's prom pictures. This product was in my son's graduation pictures. It was just my go-to when we weren't filming last year. I just loved it so much. It was so successful. And then, after a while, you just kind of like move on to other things. You find other products through our testing and our videos and stuff. But this was my absolutely favorite product initially when I first got on the channel.
Yeah, it's
like when
a
I
good
big
line.
chopped, this was the one, this line brought me through the initial big chop moments when I started getting a few little curls.
So we are using the leave-in and the curl cream in this line. As I mentioned, there is a gel. There is also what's called Shine On Curl Elixir. It is a oil in the line. There is a refresher mist called Mist Me Over, and there is a co-wash called Curl Drench, which we both washed our hair with today. And if you are in the market for a good co-wash,
yes, I forgot how good it was.
Yeah,
now, you don't have to. You definitely do not have to do that. It's not a necessity to make this line successful at all, because I've used it with a lot of other brands, and it's successful. The stylers just work.
But if you are in the market, it is very moisturizing, and you can detangle your hair with it. I detangled my hair with it today, and I was just like, ooh.
Yeah, and I think I wasn't really a co-wash girl, and still kind of not, but if I were, that was the kind of product that introduced me to the world. I liked that last year, and I just remembered how much I liked it today. The beauty of reviewing products on YouTube is that you just kind of just keep in the know about things. And then like today, us doing this brought me back to mind what I liked.
You guys definitely keep us in the know.
Yes.
About different things.
I know.
We didn't know.
Comments that came in under our other video, I was like, I didn't even know these lines existed. I'm like, oh my gosh, we have to get on top of these things.
I love this leave-in.
Love it.
So much slip.
We love the entire line for 2017, and then to be specific, if there was one standout product, we said it was the leave-in. Incredible slip. Incredible slip. Like, I know what slip is about. If I didn't learn anything initially when I big chopped and learned these new words, it was slip. Because you can tell when something has slip and you can tell when something doesn't.
Yeah.
And I was so particular about losing hair and having my hair fall out and yanking products that make my hair dry as I'm pulling them through. This does not do that.
In this, I believe we said in our first video, we said that it styles itself, and just with putting the leave-in in, you can see your curls just come to life.
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah.
Makes your curls very, very shiny. It's just such a good leave-in. I don't know what Jane Carter did, but she did that. Whatever she did. She did that.
Okay. I'm going to start
cocktailing.
The cocktail. Yeah, we're just going to do the leave-in and the curl cocktail. You see?
There it is. Good job.
Right there. I'm getting good.
You're figuring out the lighting.
Pretty soon I'll get a raise. I'm trying to look cute, so I'm not taking off my hoops. I'm determined to do this with my earrings on.
You cute, Ma. You cute. Or whatever. What kind of what kind of things do you guys notice in your hair during the winter time? Is it drier? Does your hair shed more? Like, what issues do you notice with your hair in the winter time? Let us know, because my hair right now has been doing a little bit of shedding, and I'm finding it to be a little dry. So I'm like, I wonder if that's just because it's the winter time and our hair changes in the winter.
I think so, because I find that people always rave about the summer. Definitely, if you have highlights, your highlights get more popping in the summer, and and I think that your hair gets definitely drier, and that's where I found some of my hair loss in the beginning, like from October to November last year. By December, I couldn't take it. Well, actually, by November, I couldn't take it. I remember telling you guys on Thanksgiving, I have to do this. Please support me.
Yeah.
It's going to be big chopped, and I think within a day or two, I went and just did it. I was just impulsive. I had to. I couldn't think about it. I couldn't dwell on it because I couldn't. It was too stressful of a moment. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It does. Yeah, that's another thing about this line is that it smells bomb.
And again, it has slip. It's just a good product.
And you can find it in Rite Aid. And I believe there's a countdown going on her page right now. It's going to be available in more stores. I believe Target. I hope I hope I'm not misspeaking. Or it's gonna be available in more stores, and I believe Target may be one of them.
I wonder why brands do that though. I wonder why brands make things and then just put them in exclusive stores. Like she is in Target, but the yellow line, the sunflower line, why not?
Maybe it takes a while to get your product there or something.
But she's already there with the yellow line. Why didn't this just automatically go there?
I don't know, Mama.
I don't know how that works.
Maybe there's different things that go on behind the scenes that are like more work or paperwork or who knows. Who knows, girl?
Because we always get our products at Target. Yeah. What if somebody got a gift card for Christmas at Target and this is not in Target? Then they couldn't get it. You know, if they didn't have any extra money to get it at Rite Aid. Who gets gift cards from Rite Aid, really, you know?
Well, you can buy it online.
That's limiting. You still can't use your Target card online.
Yeah, no, I know, but...
Yeah, at Rite Aid. But yeah, I don't understand how that works. But anyway, hopefully it'll spread out to other locations. Like, I was surprised when Curls and stuff was in CVS. Shocked, I say shocked. That's from the movie Casablanca.
I swear every video now we're like quoting a different movie.
I know.
Are you almost done?
Almost.
Okay. So my product is in.
Okay.
And we are going to let our hair air dry a little bit in the house. And then we are going to diffuse because we do not air dry our hair outdoors because it is cold.
It is cold.
Even though today it was warmer than it's been in a long time. I believe it was like 46, almost 50 degrees. Very happy person today.
Oh my gosh, I already see success on the horizon.
My curls are so shiny and stuff.
I so forgot about
already.
This. Gosh, yes.
Okay, so we are going to go do that. Hopefully get some food too. I know some beans and rice downstairs.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we are going to go handle that, let our hair air dry, and we'll be back to show you these bomb results.
Yes.
See you soon. Bye-bye. And we are back. These are our dried results. We just finished diffusing. And as you said, I don't know if you said in this video or the other video, but our results are always consistent.
Yeah, it's consistent.
With
so
the products.
I just wanted to show you guys that when you pick up the products that we picked up, I just knew what I was going to get. And so this is why all last summer I was using it. And love what I see.
Love it.
Yeah.
Soft curls, defined curls. So we, out of the collection, we use both creams. We use the leave-in and we use the cocktail. Our hair is very like light and like fluffy and blowy. So if you're a cream type of gal, you like creams more than gels, then we would suggest getting the leave-in and the curl cocktail. If you're more of a gel type of gal, you like a, what do you say, like a stronger hold or something like to really like hold your curls, then we suggest you get the leave-in and the gel.
Right. Yeah.
That should get it done.
But you don't need all the products that we did in our very first video when we didn't know. I mean, these collections are made to give you variety and choice and selection. And so we chose 2 today that we felt would work, and they did. And I'm sure if we would have used the gel and the leave-in, we would have
gotten awesome results
superior
too.
Results, yeah.
So it's just whatever you're into. So yeah.
Yeah, that's why we raved about Curls to Go.
Curls to Go. So we will leave links down below where you can purchase Curls to Go if you want to take a look at it more. We will also link our very first video down below.
You said before, and then we realized when we were waiting for our hair to dry that you misspoke when you said Target.
I actually pre-edited it and I put that in there.
Oh, you did?
I put writing there. So you guys would have already seen that.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
When did you do some editing work?
Earlier.
Oh, good for you.
So, thank you so much for watching our video. And we will see you in our next one.
Bye-bye.